Hello, my friends. Today I'm inviting you into my kitchen to make a real French favorite, ratatouille. This dish is like a warm hug from Provence, full of sunshine and flavor. First, let's get our veggies. You'll need 1 eggplant, 2 zucchinis, 1 yellow squash, 2 bell peppers, a sweet onion, and of course nice ripe red tomatoes. Cut everything into small pieces about the size of a bite. Don't rush. Take your time. Cooking is all about love, right? Pause, soft chuckle. Now, put a good amount of olive oil in a big pan and heat it up. Cook the onions with a little bit of salt until they're soft and just a little golden. Add the bell peppers and let them get friendly in the pan, soaking up all that yummy flavor. Then, add the zucchini and squash and stir them gently. And last, the eggplant goes in. We want each veggie to still have a little crunch. No mushy stuff, please. Next, add your chopped tomatoes and some fresh thyme and rosemary, like a little bundle of herbs. My little French secret, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, it really makes the sweetness pop. Put a lid on it and let everything cook softly on low heat for about 20 minutes. Open the lid and take a big sniff. It's wonderful. Don't forget to add a little salt, pepper and fresh basil at the end. Serve it warm with some yummy crusty bread, or it's great next to roasted chicken. Ratatouille tastes even better the next day, so make a big batch. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and join our global family cookbook. Thank you, and enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe.